Hey everybody, it's CreativeSarah here, and we're right in the middle of our ChalkCon 2023, and check this out. I'm going to use our new awesome transfer, our fonts, and look at this. I've got our ocean geometric shapes, doing the waves on this fun banner. So this is one of our new products that's coming very soon. And it's going to be here very, very soon, like I said, and you'll be able to get this. This is a chalkable shape with our boutique surface. These are washable and reusable banner pieces. So today my banner says ChalkCon 2023, but tomorrow it might say welcome or birthday or Easton. Whatever I want to put on my banner, I can put on my banner because it's reusable and re-chalkable. So I'm using this really awesome font that is made for the banner, and this will also be available soon. If you're looking for these, let me know. I have some in stock and you can get them right from me. The rest of you, are you jealous that you're not at ChalkCon? OMG. Well, there is a way to become a designer and be able to take part in ChalkCon. All you have to do is type team in the comments, TEAM, and I will send you a message where you can learn all about becoming a designer for just $9.99, or there's an option to get a kit for $59.99. Now, if you like what you see here and you'd like to make a little extra money, type team and I'll get you that information. Now it is time to put together this cool banner. So I'm just stringing it with the string that came in the kit and using the beads that came in the kit as well. And I'm just going to string it all up and I'll show you the finished project hanging in my house in just 1 second. Have you guys joined our club yet? Oh my gosh, if you haven't, go ahead and type club in the comments and I will get you all of the information you need so that you can learn about our club, which is so amazing. You're going to want to get in on that right away. I think the only last thing to tell you guys is if you have not followed my channel or you're brand new, go ahead and comment VIP and I will send you a welcome message with a link that you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. So look at that. Look at how nice this is coming together, you guys. I just love it. The banner is so awesome. I just made some homemade tassels with ribbon and voila. You guys, look how cute. Thanks everybody for watching.